Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel and this video. In this video I'm going to unbox the AD-21 cooling pad that I have bought yesterday. So let's get started. So I bought red color. So I have already opened it once, so it is not packaged. So what we need to do is just pull out those screw like things, and here let me show you clearly. Here we can adjust levels, on which level you want your laptop to be. So for this demo let me stick with this one, and it is equipped with the USB fan. I think you can see this. So it is a USB fan with lighting, and this is the USB cable. Just let me put my laptop onto it so you can see it in action. Here it is. Let me connect USB fan. So I'm plugging it through USB. Will be resuming after it is plugged. And yeah, so have plugged it. You can see lighting is there. It is emitting blue light and fan is running. Let me go closer so you can hear the sound of the fan. It is a noiseless fan, so you might hear very low noise. So let's see it in action here. Let me show it to you, and now the fan is running. I hope you can detect the movement of the fan. So it is a new product, so I do not know the durability, but it looks good, and I've got at a good price. I got it around 450 rupees. That is a very good price for this. But in your case you may get at a higher price or even at a lower price depending on the seller, and the price also kind of fluctuates, so price may go up and down depending on the demands of the product. So that's it for this video, guys. So far I'm satisfied this cooling pad, and one more thing I would like to add is that it is compatible for up to 17 inches laptop. So if your laptop is big, then it should not be a worry. And one more thing, the smallest laptop size is I guess around 14 inches, but I'm not sure. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Thank you.